God, please give me the words, the courage to say what I need to say in this video. Hello and welcome to my first sit down video. I'm currently here in Montenegro, out in nature. My name is Renee. I have just started my journey full-time traveling. I am 2 weeks in. I'm learning new things every single day, learning really, really quickly, and just really, really enjoying the journey. And it's something that I've wanted to do for 2 to 3 years. I remember being in Peru and I had the moment, I was on the sand dunes and I was just like, this is what I want to do. I want to travel, I want to explore, I want to see the world, and I'm doing it. I'm here. I'm doing it. I was just thinking to myself, I can see myself doing this for like the rest of my life, just traveling full time. I love it. I'm just filled with so much gratitude that I've been able to manifest this and that I've started this journey. And yeah, like nothing prepares you for your dream coming true. And I've just been having moments of like excitement, having moments where I've been brought to tears because I always wanted my life to be like this. And I think I did believe that it could come true, but there have been times where I didn't know how the dream would come true, how it would manifest. And so yeah, I'm just filled with so much happiness, joy, gratitude that like I've been able to do that. And I just feel very, 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 very privileged that I've been able to do this and start this journey. My intentions for this video and for this channel is to hopefully inspire people, let people know that they can do anything they put their mind to, even if it seems impossible, even if no one else is doing it. I truly, truly believe that like possibilities of life is endless. I want to bring two of my loves together, so my love for travel and my love for healing and self-development, and like mash them together and create content surrounding that. Yeah, I think when it comes to self-development and healing, I think the link between travel is really, really beautiful, because when you travel and you see a new place and you meet new people, it does widen your perspective. It makes you understand and learn more about the world. And I think when you're healing and you're going on a journey within, it also widens your perspective and allows you to learn more about the world. And so I think that those two things together are really, really beautiful and something that I'm so passionate about. So that's what I want to share. That's my intentions. So you're probably wondering why I left the UK. Because it's bad vibes. I'm joking. No, in all honesty, the reason why I left the UK is just to pursue my dreams. And even though my family's there and I love them, I've always been that person who wanted to explore, to see more, to do more, to experience more. And I feel like traveling allows me to do that. It allows me to experience that. And yeah, it's why I love it so much. Just to learn and to grow and just to become the person I've always wanted to be. And the beauty about traveling is that everywhere you travel, you can, it's a chance to become a new person, to become a better version of yourself. And I mean, you can become a better version of yourself every single day, right? Because I guess every single day is a new opportunity to do that. But I think when you're around the same people and doing the same thing over and over and over again, it can be hard to break free from like limited beliefs or I guess the person that you've always known yourself to be, or the person that people have always known you to be. When you're in a place where people always see you and like have always known you, I think it is harder to change. And one of the things I love about traveling is that when you meet new people, you can always show up as a different person. You can always try out new personalities, if that makes sense. Say for example, if you've always been someone who was shy and people have always known you to be the person who was shy and not very confident, when you travel you can try out being confident, you can step into that and see how that feels, and then there's like less judgment and more freedom to do that. Which brings me on to my other point, like traveling for me feels like freedom. It feels just so opening and expansive. My dream is actually to travel to every country in the world that's safe. I know that there's like countries that are having conflicts at the moment, countries where I might not be able to go to yet or ever. I don't know. So obviously, I won't do that. But all the countries that are safe, they're on my bucket list to go to. So we've started the journey in Montenegro. I'm going to be here for about 2 months, maybe 3, and this, I guess, being in this country, my first country, is all about just sorting out logistics, sorting out what works, and just finding balance between travel, working, editing. Yeah, finding that balance. So you probably clicked on this video because you wanted to know how I'm traveling full time. So at the moment, I'm still working. I don't want to say to you that my life every single day is just traveling and going to beaches and doing. That's not realistic, and that's not my truth yet. But yeah, I'm still working. I'm very, very grateful that I have a job that allows me to work anywhere in Europe, anywhere in Africa. So those 2 continents right now is something that I can really explore. And then we are still trying to figure out the rest because I don't plan to be in this job forever. And I also want to see other continents, like, and yeah, just different places that have completely different time zones. That's what you should be expecting from me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah. I'm so sorry for the abrupt ending of this video. There were so many distractions, so a lot of the clips had to be cut out. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more healing and travel content. And I'll also be discussing some of these topics in a lot more depth. Thank you so much. Bye.